See these and this. Which one is more attractive, you think? Want to make your client just fan of your design? Okay, you are in the right place. In this video, you are going to learn exact this thing, how to use realistic mockup to impress your client. For the sake of this video, I will use this fitness band logo and their other brand elements. I will create a separate video on how I have designed this brand. If you are interested, write yes in the comment. As it is a fitness and gym brand, I am going to use a bag for this presentation. Always try to find the best match relevant mockup to present your logo to your client. Okay, let's back to the screen. After opening any PSD mockup, you can find the layers to edit the mockup. After changing any of them, you can see the result here. You can edit almost everything. Just play around with them and see how it works. The most interesting thing is you can find the layers and group with their own names. So you can decide easily which one you need to change. You can edit the back design here, the color here. Later I will show you all the things how to change. Here you can see a placeholder smart object to replace with your own design. You can see a similar smart object in this group. You can do the same thing with this layer as well. So let's double click on it. It will open in a new tab. We are going to place our logo and other graphics here. I am going to copy this logo from my Illustrator artboard. Press Ctrl or Command C. Paste it here as a smart object in Photoshop. Resize it as you need. I am going to resize it. Okay. Please click here. Let's turn off this layer. I am going to place here the brand pattern. Let's copy it. Ctrl C and paste it here. Resize it. I am going to place it below the logo layer. Let's decrease the opacity to 25%. I am going to place a background layer here. Okay, select rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Let's change the color according to the brand color. Copy these and paste it here. Hit OK. Okay, I am happy with these. When you save the changes, you can see the result here. So let's save it and we are done. I am not happy with the size of this logo. I am going to resize it and make it bigger. Okay, hit enter and save again. I am happy with this logo now. It is time to edit the other parts of the bag. Let's start with the string. I will change the string color according to the brand color. Click on the camera icon. I will change the color here. Let's copy the color from my Illustrator artboard and paste the color here. Okay, and see the result. Now it looks gorgeous. Now I am going to edit the mouth of this bag. I will use the same color here and same for the back part of this bag. Okay, I am happy with this bag. Now I am going to change the background color here. I am done with this group. Okay, so I am hiding this. You can play around with this and see the changes. I am not going to change this at all. I am going to change the background, create a layer and draw a rectangle. I am going to change the color, copy the color from the brand color and paste it here. Okay, I will change it a bit. So I will make it darker, something like this. Yes. Okay, I'm happy now. I'm happy with this bag. I'm going to save it as a JPEG image now and make sure to highest quality. Hit export. You can see this is the full logo. Now I will use the brand icon here. Let's copy this brand icon and paste it here. Smart object. Okay, resize it. Hit enter and just turn off this layer and save it. Yes, it is Okay, I am going to save these as well. Okay, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this.